Hello friends, I am BM. In this video I will show you how to connect EZVIZ camera in EZVIZ application. Okay, we'll start the video. Tap on camera, scan QR printed on camera. Yes, okay. My camera is scanned complete. I tap on device and power on, then tap on next. After this, tap on start. Now connect camera power and select here. Then tap on next. Select here Wi-Fi. Okay. After select Wi-Fi, type Wi-Fi password. Then tap on next. Now tap on connect. Connecting to device, please wait. Now you see on screen our camera is connecting. Give name here what you want. I am type here home. Then select living room. I am installing this camera living room. Select living room. Then tap on next. Now you see on screen camera is connected. Device is added successfully. Okay. Thank you for watching me. See you on next video.